meron mo meet si Barbie?
Sinabi mo kay David.
Siyempre naman.
Ano mo pa pang-meet? Parang ikaw yata ang may hawak ng susi.
Ano kasi, busy kasi si Barbie.
Biglaan natutuloy.
Biglaan, yeah.
Pag walang plano, natutuloy eh.
Pwede.
Fan service pa ba to o may kasama ng feelings?
Which one?
Yung closeness ninyo ni Barbie.
Well, yung closest namin, close naman talaga kami. Diba? But then, I mean, you have to think na, of course, like, Barbie just got off from a relationship and we should respect that, diba? Na parang, kailangan yung mag-heal.
It doesn't have anything to do with healing. Ang tinatanong ko sa iyo, may feelings ba na involved?
I care for her a lot. Care for her a lot.
Can we qualify that?
I just really care about her a lot.
Nag-evolve na yung dynamics ninyo?
Siyempre before, like, transparently, she was taken, diba? So
malaking factor yun.
Hindi naman, I mean, Barbie has always been caring, but then, siyempre, kapag...
naiilang ka before.
Oo, diba? Ano, parang maging caring, kasi siyempre, kapag may co-work ka, diba? Like, kailangan naman talaga, especially sa love team context, diba? Like, you have to be caring, and Barbie is someone I really care about, so...
So, would you say it's, kumbaga, mas maluwag na ngayon yung pakikisama ninyo sa isa't isa now that, single ka, single siya?
Man sino na nasa situation ko, kapag taken, hindi ka naman gagawa ng, like, medyo extra, di ba? Extra care, di ba? But now, obviously, like, when we're together, like, I care for her. And, ayun, syempre, mas maluwag nga, gaya na sinabi mo.
In love ka ngayon?
In love? Yeah, but with life. I'm in love with life.
No, in love ka with another human being.
Nako.
Wala, tense ka eh.
I'm really happy.
Hi, good morning! Ito wala. Matakbo-takbo lang siya. Sa isip ko. Pero wala lang. Chill lang. Unproblematic lang. Zero problems. I guess jogging na lang. Since hindi tayo nakapag-contest kay... Super appreciate her because she tries her best to like understand me sa personality ko and also like actually kanina dapat mag-thank you ako sa'yo. Gusto ko sabihin thank you dahil para you make me feel comfortable in showbiz because alam mo naman na hindi talaga ako masyadong ma-showbiz, hindi naman ako mahihain kasi akong tao, so I think like with her around makes me feel, like I'm okay, I'm comfy, and thank you.
Sobrang saya ko kasi ang saya niya ka-work and ngayon nakikita ko na ang laki na ng growth niya as an actor and I can't wait to see him more and to see him grow as an actor at sana ako pa rin ang kasama niya.
Piniligaw ko. And that's such amazing na alam mo yun, ikaw yung love team ko. You are very patient and understanding, so really thank you. And hopefully magkaroon pa tayo naman nating trabaho together.
At syempre ang ating supporters, diba?
To the fans,
yes, to the fans. Salamat po sa inyong paniniwala.